Most people think blurry night vision is just about aging eyes. But here's the truth. Over 60% of adults over 65 struggle with nighttime clarity. Not because of their lenses, but because the brain-eye connection begins to break down. That's right, the retina may be doing its job, but the signals it sends don't always reach the brain with the same speed and strength. And when those signals fade, you start feeling like everything is slower, dimmer, off. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell. If you've ever found it harder to read at night or notice your brain feels foggy when the lights go down, you're not imagining it, and you're certainly not alone. Welcome to Pure Health Tips. And if this is your first time here, go ahead and tap subscribe so you don't miss out on simple strategies that protect your health as you sleep. Now, back to that fading brain signal. We don't talk about it enough, but your brain plays a bigger role in your vision than most people realize. Up to 80% of what you see is processed in the brain, not the eyes. But after 60, these neural pathways between the retina and the visual cortex can slow down, and they do it quietly. That's why glasses don't always help. It's not the eye, it's the connection. The good news, you can rebuild it. And no, it doesn't require surgery or expensive treatments. Recent research shows that certain foods, when eaten before bed, can help repair and strengthen this connection overnight, not over months while you sleep. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 powerful foods: eggs, carrots, fish, and pumpkin, and how they fuel your brain's visual circuits. Each one works in a different way, and the science behind them might surprise you. Let's start with one of the most overlooked yet powerful vision boosters out there, the egg. Let me be clear, eggs are not just breakfast food for the aging brain and the fading eye. They are one of the most complete packages nature has to offer. And when eaten at the right time, they do their best work while you sleep. Inside a single egg yolk, you'll find 2 of the most powerful nutrients for your brain-eye network, lutein and choline. These aren't trendy supplements. They are actual building blocks your brain relies on to transmit, protect, and repair visual signals. Lutein is a carotenoid that doesn't just sit in your eyes. It accumulates in the macula of the retina and in the visual processing centers of the brain. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition 2017, seniors with higher lutein levels in both the eye and the brain showed significantly better visual memory and processing speed. That's because lutein acts like a filter and a shield. In the retina, it absorbs harmful blue light, reducing oxidative stress. In the brain, it supports faster communication between neurons, especially in areas responsible for interpreting visual cues. It's a dual-action nutrient, silently reinforcing both ends of the brain-eye conversation. Choline is equally critical. It is the raw material for acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory formation, focus, and signal clarity. As we age, our choline levels tend to drop, but eggs offer a highly absorbable form that the body uses quickly. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2020 showed that older adults who consumed higher dietary choline performed better on memory tasks and visual attention tests. It's not theory, it's tested. Real seniors, real improvements. Take David, for example. He started having trouble reading fine print at night and often forgot what he just saw. His daughter began making him 1 boiled egg every evening before bed. After 2 months, his vision cleared up under low light, and he told me he could finally enjoy his crossword puzzles again. That is the power of simple food used wisely. To get the benefits, you don't need to eat a dozen eggs. 1 egg yolk a day is enough, boiled, scrambled, or poached. What matters is the timing. Evening consumption helps supply your brain with lutein and choline right before it enters repair mode during sleep. It's nourishment timed with your body's natural rhythms. If cholesterol is a concern, talk to your doctor. But for most healthy seniors, 1 egg a day is not only safe, it's strategic. Eggs are not magic. They are fuel, targeted, brain-specific, vision-saving fuel, the kind that doesn't come in a bottle or pill. It comes from your plate. And now that you know what 1 egg can do, wait until you see what a simple carrot can unlock for your night vision. You've heard it before. Carrots are good for your eyes, but what most people miss is that carrots don't just help you see better. They help your brain interpret light, contrast, and movement, especially in low light conditions where vision tends to blur with age. The key nutrient here is Beta-Carotene, a pigment that your body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for maintaining the structure and function of the retina, particularly the photoreceptor cells called rods, which allow you to see in the dark. But beyond the retina, vitamin A plays a deeper role. It supports the neural transmission of visual information from the eye to the brain. In older adults, vitamin A deficiency is more common than you think. especially when diets lack colorful vegetables, and the consequences go beyond dry eyes or blurred vision. A study published in JAMA Ophthalmology in 2019 found that seniors with low vitamin A intake had up to 2 times higher risk of night blindness and slower visual processing in dark environments. But it doesn't stop at the eye. Vitamin A affects the speed and clarity with which the brain responds to visual input. Research from the Journal of Neuroscience in 2017 revealed that vitamin A supports synaptic plasticity in the visual cortex, which is crucial for adapting to changes in contrast, light, and motion, abilities that naturally decline with age. This means that a carrot isn't just sharpening your eye, it's helping your brain stay responsive and flexible as the lights dim, supporting the full pathway from the moment photons hit your retina to the second your brain deciphers what you're seeing. Carrots also contain luteolin, a plant compound shown to reduce neuroinflammation. In a 2016 study from Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience, older rodents given luteolin-rich foods showed improved memory and reduced markers of brain inflammation, pointing to its potential role in protecting neural function in aging humans as well. Now, how should you use carrots to support your night vision and brain clarity? Raw carrots are fine, but lightly steaming them boosts beta-carotene absorption. Pairing them with a small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado, helps your body convert that beta-carotene into usable vitamin A. An evening snack of steamed carrots with a drizzle of oil is not only comforting, it's brain smart. The goal here is consistency, not quantity. 1 medium carrot a day is enough to maintain healthy vitamin A levels for most older adults, and when consumed before bed, it delivers the nutrients your retina and visual brain need to recover overnight. This is not about magic. It's about giving your body the exact materials it needs to protect your eyesight and sharpen your thinking using a food as humble and familiar as the carrot. There's a reason fish is often called brain food. But what most people don't realize is how deeply certain types of fish nourish the connection between the brain and the eyes, especially overnight when that connection has a chance to repair. At the center of this benefit is DHA, or docosahexaenoic acid, a long-chain omega-3 fatty acid found in cold water fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. DHA is not optional for the brain. It is a structural component of over 90% of the fat found in the retina and in neurons within the visual cortex. Simply put, your brain and eyes are built with DHA. As we age, DHA levels tend to decline. This has serious consequences. A 2022 study published in Nutrients found that seniors with lower DHA levels experience slower neural signaling and increased markers of visual fatigue, especially under low light conditions. These delays do not come from the eyes themselves, but from the neurons that carry the message. DHA strengthens the myelin sheath, the protective coating around each nerve fiber. Myelin acts like insulation around electrical wires, ensuring that visual information travels fast and accurately from the eye to the brain. Without enough DHA, this coating becomes thinner and frayed, slowing down the signal. Beyond signal speed, DHA also plays a powerful anti-inflammatory role. Chronic microinflammation in the aging brain contributes to both vision decline and cognitive fog. A 2021 paper in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience confirmed that omega-3 supplementation reduced inflammatory cytokines in elderly participants and improved visual memory tasks by 18% after just 12 weeks. I had one patient, Linda, who complained her eyes felt tired even after a full night's sleep. She started adding grilled salmon to her dinner twice a week. Within a month, she said the fog lifted and reading at night no longer strained her eyes. That's the kind of change that doesn't require a prescription, just the right food. To get these benefits, fatty fish like salmon or sardines should be consumed at least 2 to 3 times a week. Evening is the ideal window. Consuming DHA-rich foods before sleep allows your brain to integrate these fatty acids during its natural repair cycle. If fresh fish isn't accessible, canned sardines or wild-caught salmon are excellent options. Just make sure they're packed in water or olive oil, not heavily processed. For those unable to consume fish, algae-based DHA supplements can serve as a plant-based alternative, but food remains the gold standard. One more thing, many seniors fear fat, but the brain thrives on the right kind of fat. DHA is not stored around your waistline. It's pulled straight into your neurons, your retina, your memory circuits. When your brain is made of this nutrient, it only makes sense that feeding it more leads to clarity. As you'll see next, even a food as unassuming as pumpkin can help reinforce that clarity, one calm signal at a time. When people think of pumpkin, they imagine pie or fall decorations. Rarely do they think of it as a neurological and ocular ally. But inside this humble orange flesh is a powerhouse combination of zinc and vitamin C, two nutrients that quietly support the precision and calmness of your brain-eye communication. Zinc is often overlooked, yet it is essential to over 300 enzyme reactions, many of which are tied to visual signal processing and neuroplasticity. In the eye, zinc is highly concentrated in the retina and plays a vital role in converting light into nerve signals. Without enough zinc, this phototransduction process slows down and vision, especially night vision, begins to falter, but its role doesn't stop at the eye. Zinc also regulates synaptic transmission, the release and absorption of neurotransmitters between brain cells. A 2016 study in biological trace element research showed that older adults with suboptimal zinc levels had significantly delayed visual reaction times and reported more difficulty adjusting to changes in light. In aging brains where signal clarity is already under pressure, zinc acts like a stabilizer, keeping messages crisp and reducing the noise. Then comes vitamin C. Most people know it for immunity, but very few understand its role in neurovascular protection. The brain and retina are among the highest consumers of oxygen in the body. This makes them highly vulnerable to oxidative stress. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, protects the delicate blood vessels that nourish both structures. According to a 2020 study published in Antioxidants, adequate vitamin C intake in older adults was linked to better visual acuity and slower age-related macular degeneration. The same study noted that vitamin C helped preserve the integrity of the blood-retina barrier, preventing unwanted inflammation that can distort vision. Together, zinc and vitamin C form a defensive and restorative pair. Zinc supports the structure and flow of visual signals. Vitamin C protects the vessels and tissues those signals pass through. Pumpkin delivers both naturally, gently, and in just the right proportions for the aging nervous system, but there's more. Pumpkin is also rich in beta-cryptoxanthin, a lesser-known carotenoid with anti-inflammatory effects on brain tissue. A 2021 paper in Brain Sciences found that individuals with higher beta-cryptoxanthin intake had better cognitive scores and lower inflammatory markers. While the study was observational, it supports what we see clinically: less inflammation, sharper thinking, clearer sight. How should you use pumpkin to support brain-eye recovery? Cooked pumpkin, whether steamed, baked, or pureed, is the most digestible form. Avoid sweetened or processed varieties. A warm bowl of pumpkin puree in the evening, topped with a pinch of cinnamon or a spoonful of Greek yogurt, can serve as both dessert and neurological medicine. Timing matters. Eating it in the evening gives your body access to these key nutrients during the overnight repair cycle. That is when your retina recovers from the day's light exposure and your brain sorts and consolidates visual information. When combined with the other foods we've covered, eggs, carrots, and fish, pumpkin adds a final layer of calm and clarity to the repair process. In the final part, I'll show you how to turn this knowledge into a simple daily routine that supports your vision, your memory, and your peace of mind. Starting tonight, by now you've seen how 4 simple foods, eggs, carrots, fish, and pumpkin, can do more than nourish your body. They can reconnect your brain and your eyes. They can rebuild clarity, improve contrast, restore night vision, and even reduce mental fog, all while you sleep. But none of this works unless it becomes a habit. The truth is, your brain does not need expensive supplements or complicated regimens. It needs consistency, nutrients delivered at the right time in the right form again and again. That's how healing happens. That's how new signals are formed and old ones strengthened. So, here's a simple evening plan you can follow starting tonight. In the early evening, about 2 hours before bed, have a light dinner that includes one source of omega-3s from fish. This could be grilled salmon, canned sardines, or mackerel. This fuels your neurons with DHA and reduces nighttime inflammation. 1 hour before bed, prepare a small plate with steamed carrots, a soft-boiled egg, or a bowl of warm pumpkin puree. These foods are light, easy to digest, and loaded with the nutrients we talked about: lutein, choline, zinc, beta-carotene, and vitamin C. They set the stage for your nervous system to do its best work while you rest, then dim the lights, reduce screen time, and allow your brain to slow down naturally. This transition supports melatonin release, which not only improves sleep but helps coordinate the overnight repair of visual and cognitive circuits. If you follow this rhythm just 3 or 4 nights a week, you may notice something unexpected: clearer focus, less eye strain, quicker recall, a mind that feels sharper and more stable even in the dark. Because your brain does not forget how to see. It just needs the right support to remember. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. That tells me something powerful about you. You care. You're paying attention and you're ready to take action for your health. If this video gave you insight or hope, I encourage you to like, share it with someone you care about, and comment below with one food you'll try tonight. Your story might be exactly what someone else needs to hear. And if you'd like more videos like this, simple, science-based, and made with you in mind, go ahead and subscribe to Pure Health Tips. There's so much more to explore together. Until next time, take care of your brain, your eyes, and your peace of mind.